Look how much I got.
Look at her shirt.
What, Chocolate City?
Got poop on it.
I got poop on my finger.
We're the Purefoys, and we'll be alright. We'll be alright.
What's up, Peapod? It's your girl Key, second in command of the illest team known to man, the Purefoys, aka your family's favorite family. And today, you guys, we are gonna show you how to make chocolate covered strawberries. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, click that notification bell, and hit that like button for us. Chocolate covered strawberries are super special to me. I fell in love with them when I lived upstate New York. My dad would buy them every time we went to the mall. And then when I had Xavier, he bought them to me to the hospital. And when I had Jaden, he bought them to me to the hospital.
Our ingredients for the chocolate covered strawberries are white chocolate, milk chocolate, any vegetable shortening, and the strawberries.
One of you guys will grab the chocolate, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the chocolate in the pot. You gotta open it, baby.
You have to, you can't put the whole. We can both do it.
Oh, yeah.
And then I want to put on
You want chocolate?
chocolate. And then I'm putting in the sticks. Do we like break it or something? Ooh. Ooh.
Hold on, let me
We'll
actually-
probably only need 1.5.
No.
All right, let's see. Ari, can you break it?
Let me try.
Ooh, go. Okay.
Okay, strong, Ari.
Ooh, there
Okay,
you go.
Moose.
I can't break the small one. I'll do it. Oh, never mind.
There you go.
All right, let's put them in the thing.
And then it's my turn. Okay. Yeah, let's help him. Whoa. We probably only need like
You can
half
leave
of
it in the
this.
tray. This one you can leave in the tray. You can, let's break it in half. And then I'm gonna take half and put it.
I'll do it. I want to do it. And then I want to put some in.
Oh. There you go. All right, and you can give me half.
It smells so good. I want to
It does.
eat it.
I just need half.
Can I take a bite?
No.
It will hurt your tooth, just like I
Because this is just for decoration, so we're not gonna need the whole thing, okay? But we are gonna just break the rest of this to make it easier to melt.
I can break this.
Okay, let's see. Let me see.
I think I can. No. If you can I break it? I'll Raylan break it.
Hey.
I love the faces.
How can only you guys break
Got some
it?
milk chocolate on it a little
How
bit.
can only you draw?
They eat all their food. You know?
They eat all their vegetables too.
I won't bite it. I didn't bite it. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute.
Did you answer the door?
This one fell in.
Put it on the count on the island.
I might quit. All the chocolate is done. So what I'm gonna do with the milk chocolate is I'm going to pour it into a cup so it's easy to dip. So here's the test. I'm gonna try this one strawberry first to see if it's perfect. And it is. You see how smooth that is?
Mm-hmm.
It's perfect.
That looks yummalicious.
Then you just lay it on the sheet. So we're gonna go through and dip all these, get them all on the sheet, and then we'll decorate them a little bit.
Yeah, save me one. Thank you.
Can you see smiles? Can you see smiles, guys?
My leaf is about to break. My leaf broke.
Oh my god.
That looks great.
But stop taking the leaves off, please. Just hold it like this. Just hold it like that.
Good dunk, nice.
Strawberry. Look at
And
strawberry.
teach them how to do like a little like twirl so that the chocolate doesn't drip off. So when you pull it up, you kind of give it like a little twirl.
Dude, the chocolate is. Okay, that's cool. It fell in.
I can't turn it anymore because
It's
it's
all
gonna
good.
fall off my
Just let
hand.
it go. It's messy. These are kids.
It's one of Nolan. Holy moly. This and then my turn to dip. Oh. Didn't get it. Put it in.
Ooh.
This big one. That looks good. These leaves are in my way. Wait, are they already? What? Sorry. What are you doing, Daddy? Can we just put our fingers and then lick it?
You want?
So this is something I suggest that the little kids don't do. As a parent, you should do the drizzling or it's gonna be a hot mess.
Can I try?
No.
Look how much I got.
Look at her shirt.
What, chocolate, Biddy?
Got poop on it.
I got poop on my finger. Yes, that's what I wanted. When it dries. Look what I got. Now's the fun part.
We get to eat 'em. So good. Good?
Oh my gosh. It tastes like heaven. It tastes like God. You've ate God before?
How's it taste, Moose? How do you think, Bug?
Yeah, malicious.
Alright, sign off to you.
Alright, you guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. But until then,
Live, love,
peace.